Hey, welcome back. The time has come to soundproof and carpet the Robin. So, let's crack on. There's the soundproofing done. Now let's get the carpet in. Right guys, in all seriousness, I really should put some soundproofing in here before I put the carpet down. But we don't have any right now and I want to get on with this and get it done. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fit the carpet for now. A little bit of spray glue, get it in. And then when we come to finding some nicer bits of carpet to replace the damaged ones, we'll soundproof it then. And maybe we'll do like a before and a after on how good soundproofing is. So right, let's crack on and get this interior in so we can get this car moving again. Right, so we've got a little tin of sticky. I'm going to place all the carpet pieces in, because it's a bit of a jigsaw puzzle, and I'll just spray a bit of glue on each one, tap it into place, and then we'll get all the metal work to refit all the seats. We'll rivet all those down with nice big washers underneath the car. I know they were bolted before, but at the end of the day, even when they bolted in, it's just a plate through a bit of fiberglass. So I don't think a rivet is going to be any weaker than a bolt. But I suppose we'll see what the MOT man says. And once all that's in, we'll start fitting the seats in. We'll get all the back stuff in, and then the plan after that is to get the car on a driveway, get it up on jacks, and just give the underside a bit of a clean and do a little bit of a service on it, and then it'll be off for an MOT. So let's get this jigsaw puzzle laid out. Right, there we are, just placed in. So I think I've got it all worked out. So I'll do each piece one at a time now and stick them in. There's those in. Obviously I won't glue the ones in over here because they're just tucked under here and we've got that to worry about. Starting to look nice on the other side. So we got these big old rivets. I'm going to rivet all these things in because I will be removing them another time and I don't want to deal with rusty screws. If the MOT man doesn't like it, I'll change them, but at the end of the day it's only clamping a washer to fiberglass, so I don't see any difference in the strength. And these are stainless. Right, so typically now I put the carpets back in, the holes don't line up with the carpet. To make new holes.
I got it, I see it.
Alright.
Ow, watch my eye.
Right, so put him through there.
Right, what do you want me to do this side?
Just put the hold the washer over it.
What's something to hand me?
Oh yeah. There you go.
So, I don't take my fingers off.
Right, ready?
I think so, go on.
No, I gotta get the seats first.
Alright.
Because they go on with the seat.
Do I get up for a minute?
So, they are on rock solid. So we've riveted these in, and the sides of these plates here. But we're about to start fitting the seats. And to bolt the seats down, I've got these nice stainless bolts. We'll put some Loctite on those. This stuff here. And that'll be the seats in. So the good news is these are the same as the captain nets. So that's good. Just had a little bit of a panic. I realised this seat has got the mechanism on it for the passenger side. But fair dues to Reliant. Both sides are drilled. Split pin on there, and I can swap it over onto the other side, so panic averted. So there's our seats all nice and bolted in. I need to order a couple of clips so I can refit the adjusters, so I'll get them ordered. But they are in and nice. Starting to look like a car again, yeah? Seatbelts, copper grease, parts. So the old ones are a pain to get out because everything is seized, so I'm putting a bit of copper slip on them. So if we do ever have to take them out again, they should come out nice and easy. Hopefully I'll never be taking them out. The new kit didn't come with any of the spacers, so I'm reusing the old ones. These were the old plates, the L-shaped brackets that go down here. So I've cleaned those up. Got a pair of those. And these are our new seat belts. How nice do they look? Oh look, there's a cat. Right, we're missing a couple of bolts for the seat belts. Now luckily I'm a hoarder and I've got one of these, but I'm still missing another one. So I'm going to rake through here, see if I can find one. If not, I'm going to have to try and hunt down another bolt. And piece de resistance. I could do some back to black in here, but let's take this off. Get rid of this horrible old thing. I could do with giving that a little lick of paint, so that may happen. But for now, definitely needs a lick of paint. So does this. So that's not bad for a free makeover, is it? It's looking all right. I still got to get a few bits and bobs to finish off a few little bits. There's a couple of clips missing, that sort of thing. We've still got a tear in the side of the seat, but I'm not going to repair that yet. Just as far as I'm concerned, keeps the interior honest. That's my excuse and I'm sticking with it. So interior has cost us nothing. We were lucky to get hold of a couple of bits. bit of a jet wash. Well, we spent a tenner on the stuff to clean it, but it's looking $1 million in here now, and it smells good too. So cool. Interior done. A couple of things to finish on the front, a bit of a tune-up, and then off for an MOT. So fingers crossed, one more bout of work, and then we can take this thing for a spin. Right, cheers guys, take it easy, see you next time.